You don't need more time. You need better use of time. Observe this point. How beautiful. You don't need more time. You don't need more time. You need better use of time. Remove low value activities if you want to grow fast. Sir, I want to grow very fast, man. Just in the next 1 year, my salary should be double. Or next 5 years, my position should be. First activity, what you require to do? Remove low value tasks, low value work from your daily routine. Okay. Next, delegation. Better to use the mantra of delegation. Delegation is not cost, is not expense. It is investment. Remember this one. Delegation is investment. It is not cost. Okay. So freedom comes from focus. So if you focus on what matters a lot, if you focus on what matters a lot, then automatically, okay, your growth by default will be there. Remember carefully. Getting the point? How beautiful, friends. So multiple examples I'm telling. Yesterday we covered one elephant example. Elephant keep on doing. Elephant is always telling. He is never tell for any work. Elephant never told no. No. Because he's always feeling that, hey, I'm strong, man. I can do, man. That's why the people are asking me like for carrying the water, for carrying the wood, for carrying the stones, for carrying everything. The owner uses the same elephant. One fine day, that elephant, not in a position to walk, completely collapsed. For everything, he used that resource. Then completely collapsed. Then the owner realized, array, instead of giving total burden to this person, at least I require to delegate some activities to the others. I didn't do that. Now this one gone. What about my situation? How the work is going to be moved? Now the owner is going to realize that after burning his hands. Don't be like elephant. Don't be like old steward. So always keep only one thing in your mind. Array, is there any use of this activity? For which purpose I'm doing this activity? Just namesake. Completely useless. What is the need? Remove the bleeding activity from your list.